Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to download clips from Twitch. First, click on the Twitch streamer that you want to download clips from, click on his profile picture and then go right here where he has his clips. Click on the clip that you want to download, then simply copy this address, so select it all and click on copy, then go to clip.r.xyz and here paste the clip link and click download. Now pick a quality in which you want to download the clip, so you can pick 1080p if you want and press download clip. Now it will open up like this and you can simply go right here to these three dots and click on download. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.